Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone overheating issue after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, you have fixed this problem. You have clear background apps. So you have open the setting and then you have click on general, then you have background app refresh, then you have is turn off. I have already turned off, then you have is turn off. Then first solution is not working, their second solution, you have restart your iPhone. So volume up button and then volume down button and press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 5 to 10 seconds wait and then your iPhone is restored. Then other solution, you have update all apps, then you have use daily basis on your iPhone app, then you have must be app store from update all app. Then other solution, you have check battery health, then open the setting and then you have click on battery and then you have click on battery health, then you have check the battery health on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have clear Safari cache and history, then you have open the again setting and then scroll up, then you have click on Safari, then you have click on scroll up, then you have so this, so you have click on general and then you have click on iPhone storage, then scroll up, then you have found Safari and then you have clear history, databases and website, then you have website data is clear from your iPhone. Then other solution, you have reset all setting and then you have again open the setting and click on general, scroll up, then you have transfer or reset, click and then you have click on reset all setting and then iPhone given a passcode, then you have given a iPhone passcode and then you are reset all setting. Do not lose any data iPhone from photos or videos, only reset all setting from, on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have disable location service, then you have again open the setting and then you have click on privacy and then you have click on location and then turn off. Then other solution, you have network setting, then you have click on again setting and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset network setting and then given a passcode, only reset a network setting. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Khuda Hafiz.